Hi, second grade. So I'm going to be showing you our Fundations sounds, and we'll be drilling them together, and then we'll be writing some words as well. So what you need to do, if you haven't already, is get out a piece of paper and a pencil so that you are ready to record some words once I say them. But before we do that, we're going to do some drill sounds just like we would if we were all together. So I'm going to say them and you can repeat after me. We're going to start with some long vowel sounds. So here we go. First one is I, hi, I. E, me, e. Now this one has two ways to say it. Y, cry, I. Y, baby, e. Next one, we're going to do some glued sounds to reveal. So first one is O-S-T, post, oast. I-V-E, give, iv. I-N-D, find, ind. I-L-D, wild, ild. O-L-D, cold, old. O-L-T, colt, olt. And that is it for now. So now what you need to do, if you need to, pause the video, get yourself a piece of paper and a pencil out, because I'm going to be saying some words and you're going to be writing them down and marking them. So listen carefully as I say them, and then take some time and write them down. If you need to pause the video in between me saying the words, definitely do that if you can. All right, your first word that I want you to write is behind. Like I stand behind my friend in line. Behind. Right? Second one is locate. Locate. I need to locate where my new house is. Locate. Right? Next one is pretend. Pretend. I like to pretend with my friends. Pretend. Next one is plenty. I have had plenty to eat. Plenty, plenty. Next one is lumpy. This pillow feels lumpy. Lumpy. And last one, safely. I will get home safely. 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 So all of these words had two syllables, so you should have broken them apart. Also, some of them had open syllables, some of them had closed, and also some had vowel consonant E, so be careful. I'm going to say the words again. Go back over them and mark them if you haven't. First one was behind. Second was locate. Third was pretend. Fourth was plenty. The fifth one was lumpy. And the last one was safely. Okay, I am going to read to you our trick words. I'm going to say them, spell them, say them. First one is large. L-A-R-G-E, large. Next one is city. C-I-T-Y, city. And the last one is carry. C-A-R-R-Y, carry. You can use those words and write them in a sentence on that same piece of paper that you wrote your words in. So I'm going to hold them up again just in case you missed them. The first one was large. Second one was city. And the third one was carry. Go ahead and write those. You can use them in a sentence also. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is write a sentence. So I'm going to say it 3 times and then you will write it and then we'll move on to a second sentence. So the first one is, that silly robot is a funny gift. That silly robot is a funny gift. That silly robot is a funny gift. Okay? Take some time, write that sentence, make sure that it has all that it needs, an uppercase letter, punctuation at the end. The last one is, how did the robot swing so wildly? How did the robot swing so wildly? How did the robot swing so wildly? So again, write that sentence, give it what it needs, uppercase letter, punctuation at the end. I'm going to show you my board so that you can check your words that you wrote and make sure you have your markings down as well as your trick words. But when you are finished checking, you go over your sentences as well. Go and post a picture of your work to us so that we can check it and make sure that you have completed it. All right, so take a look. These are the words. And you can even pause the video right there so you have a little bit longer to check on it. All right, that's it for today. Can't wait to see your posts.